Damn, look who pulled up. We might get some runs with this too then. Shit.
Let's go.
I can't beat him. Last time it was stock though. I haven't raced him since the tune. E85 tune. It's just fast, man. Do not underestimate this. It's super light too. Fuck, I'm scared.
What is it?
You already raced. Fucking beat me by like 2 cars. Really?
Nah, maybe one.
Nah, beat by.
Special guest. I did not think he was gonna be pulling up. Let's go though. The more the merrier. Alright, we're going first at 20. I'm gonna honk. I cannot miss this third gear or else he's gonna burn my ass. He might burn me from first anyways. Fuck! Woo! That's it. I can't catch. I missed that second now. What the fuck, man? Dude, I pulled everybody on first gear, but second gear, I can't do shit. Yeah, that type bar picked up. Woo! Alright, we're gonna do second 45 now. Second at 40 is kind of low for me, I think, on second gear. So hopefully second 45 is better. This might be the last race against the Type R. I blame my shifter, alright? I blame my shifter. My cousin just told me that his short shifter on his S2K did the same thing too. Fuck no. Can't get it. Damn, maybe I need to get a Type R now. And I think his shit is still stuck. Maybe it's slightly tuned also. Damn, fuck. Whatever. It's fun. I like it though, it's fun. Alright, I'm about to do a test drive on this Type R. This is the first time I've ever driven a Type R. Let's see how it goes. Pretty smooth. Clutch is hella smooth. Shit's nicely too. Definitely better than my shit. Woo! Damn. Okay. Beautiful. Let's get some pulls. Okay, this is gonna be a first gear roll at 20. Huh. Damn, this shift, this gearbox is really smooth. I miss my shifter now, my stock one. I need to go back to it. Fuck this. I love my car though. Alright, let's get another one. Damn, I just did a 3-point turn right now, and that shit is smooth as fuck. It's only actually 3-point. My G is like a 4-point turn. Alright, second at 40, let's go. Damn, I didn't get that third gear. Damn, this shit pulls. Woo! Once it hits 90, damn, that was nice. Who's that over there? Oh, okay, that's my cousin's STI. I don't want it to be a cop. Brake power is good. Everything is smooth. I like it. I like it a lot. People that hate on the look of this car, you don't even know. It's not about the look, it's about the power. What's happening? I don't know what he's doing, but I'm not gonna race him in his own car. Alright, that's it. This is the bonus footage. See you guys later. Peace.